strength does not come from the things that you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. I have one personal story of mine to share with you all, which resonates with this beautiful quote. I had enrolled myself for a crash course in swimming, which was about only for 15 days. At the end of this course, when only 2 days were left, our instructor asked us this question: out of 30 of you, who is actually ready to take up this challenge and go and jump from the height of 33rd feet, the topmost point for jumping and diving? Out of 30 of us, I thought to myself, let me take this chance. Let me take this opportunity to overcome my fear of height. Only 5 of us raised our hands. The instructor was happy. He said, yes, there's this person along with you. You can go up and just jump. You don't have to dive. You don't have to do anything. It is actually a platform, a stationary platform for professional divers to do acrobatic movements. So the 33rd feet is for that purpose. But then you are just an initial beginners, so you just have to jump, that's it. So the moment all 5 of us started going up, up and up, we all started feeling so scared. That was maybe our heaviest walk that day. As we were climbing the stairs, by the time we reached the 3rd level, the 2 people who were behind me, the 2 girls said, we are not going anymore. We are going back. And I tried to stop them. I said, please don't go back. It's only 5 of us who has taken this step, please. And they said, no, we can't go. We have to go back. We can't do this. The instructor even tried to, stop them, but they didn't. So now it was only the instructor and the remaining 3 of us. The moment we reached at the top, the girl in front of me, when she stood at the edge of the platform, she looked down and she came back and she said, I'm going back. It's crazy. I can't do this. And she actually started crying. The instructor, the sir who was there down waiting for us to jump, both of them tried to give her the courage. Even I tried to stop her, please do this. We have to do this. But she said, no, I'm going back. It's too scary. Now it was my turn. When I reached at the edge, I saw this beautiful view. At that height, I could actually see half of Bombay. I was so amazed with that beauty. But the moment I looked down, I could see the instructor down there. But the height was so scary. It was so crazy. Even I thought that it's unbearable. I can't do this. I have to go back. I took one step back and then something came into my mind. I said, please don't do this. Don't go back. This is one opportunity that you have got. You may or may not get any time. And you can't predict your future, what will happen. Are you going to get such an opportunity where there is someone there down also to take care of you? Don't get feared. Go, just go. The instructor also said, just jump, don't think anything. And the moment he said 1, 2, go, I just jumped. I opened my eyes when I was falling down. It was a beautiful view. I could feel the air, the rush of air on my face, because it was at that height. And the moment I went down deep inside this pool, I could feel a joy, a happiness all started coming out. I was like, thank God I took this step. Thank God I did this. When I came up, my hands and my feet were actually trembling with fear and with happiness, both. I looked up and I told that girl who was behind me, I said, don't go back. This is a beautiful opportunity. Go for it. Just jump. And looking at my happiness, even she jumped. And we both celebrated that day. Our sir, our instructor, everybody were so happy with us. And all the remaining students who were looking at us, they were so happy. And they actually came and congratulated us. That out of 30, only 2 of us had this courage to jump. And that day when I went back home, I was so happy. I called everybody in my family and I told this event, because that was a big event for me, for a person who doesn't know swimming. And that day in the evening when I saw myself in the mirror, I just said this. I gave a big smile to myself and I said, well done.